Sillafter. Whoa, Jesus. That's new one. Just bring it down a little. Damn. Simma pussitimullugut. I'm trying to focus with my nose. Well, vlog number 3. So far so good. Still going to work. Tässä haltimias bisunnersassio kisen imadeermiso qassarpappussinguni. Okay, masidan. Can you paint all the colors of the rain? Whoa. Mixinarpaqanerinaagi.
Ayun. Isian ikiaarnartimi astakorsunnaraluor takorsunnartaqaluor. Assoruissua takorsunnarluor.
Kiarnertanimiataarpi.
Assu tamigaatiqaruluor. Isianin peqalar. Peqalar.
Dækbilledet i det.
Ja, uyaasaqalaalartuma. Sinamaluun pinalersaartitun. Intinteqintuun.
Well, that concludes 8 out of 9 9 timers arbejde. Now we're going to the gym. All right, let's crush it. You know what? Under systemet er græ, så det er meget med meditation. So somebody giver medicinere right so and it's Friday.
Yeah, it's you.
Qabadi axsayo.
Oh shit, what the hell?
To be safe. Puh. Sasha. Udabe. Sapatiumassi. Mikroonivisimasun. Raajat. Puumutak. Ta pennakai passa. Sudiekka. Unnanni auttorluni. Ammarla. Jesus. Texas Christ. Eskisia. Tipi massiksidaaneriссarpar. Nerippuusor massakkaaqqiimisimassasor, but it stings so bad. So that concludes the vlog. Niitimisuniuut, we did work out. Pingajuattut mikroonisalippo. So it's really been a really productive day. Waisimanni. Agusaqaantiarput immiussiungut, and we did the vlog on top of this? That's amazing. Altså nu at du kan at jeg kan låne 5-6 minutter af det tid, fordi det tager mig hele dagen for at lave det her. And I'm really grateful that you can be here looking at the screen when your phone is in what happened during my day. I really like it. And I will see you in the next video.